Hey guys, well, I got my food done. As you see, here's how it turned out. So I got that going on. As you see, I got my laptop. Got my business going. This particular website here. Let me see if I. Yeah, it's not gonna let me switch around, is it? It's one thing I don't like about this. It never lets you switch around. Okay, but this one is called eÿeka. And all you do here is if you're a creator, you hit your creator tab. If you're a brand, you hit your brand tab. Now they do contests every once in a while. And so you can click on the contest. Stupid thing. I got a touch screen, so I just go like this. Hit on contest. And these are different, if you can see. Them are different contests. Trying to get it where you can see what I'm doing here, because I can't see. But anyway, that's the different contests they do. Like this one here is a nasal health, and as you see, it's $8,300. Johnny Walker Red Label, $5,000. Now that is the amount of money that you can win. And so you just go through here. They got different branches. Like if you do animations, creative writing, graphic design, illustration. There's different categories you can look up, like point of sale, packaging, naming, insights, content, communications, brand identity. So you can go through there, but as you see, the name of the website is eÿeka, and it's .com. So that is one of the websites that you can use to make some money. I just thought I'd share that with you. So there you have that. You ever have any of these? I love to drink these things. They are good. But I just wanted to give you that update. I'm going to get back to work on my laptop and make me some more money. But that's what I got going on right there. And I already drank most of my orange juice. Remember how I put the mind and the body in it? I got it right here. I got most of it gone already. But that's that. Now here, I'll give you a free tip. If you ever run across coins, I don't know if any of you know this or not, but you want to look at your coins, because you can find, like say I got these coins here, you can find mint defects on them. And if you find mint defects on your coins, you can get some money for it. So you need to Google mint defects. Depending on the coin will depend on the amount of money that you can get. So you need to be looking at your coins and making sure none of them have mint defects. Because some of them, like I've got some pennies that don't have the D on them. So there, I've got some money there. There's some that will have a double die, and so you'll make money on that. But just make sure you go through your coins and make sure they don't have any defects on them. Because you may be on a gold mine. You don't know. I mean, it's far in between that you find a coin that actually has a defect. But when you do, you might be running into some money. So there you go. And I don't know if any of you guys ever keep some of your old toys, for an example, like Cabbage Patch Kids. If you have some Cabbage Patch Kids, some of those are worth some money. Barbies. Some Barbies are worth some money. So go ahead and Google, do some research, and find out how much money you have laying around in the house. And you can turn around, you can sell them on eBay, you can sell them on the Let Go app. I don't know if any of you are familiar with Let Go, but that's another app that you can use. Okay, well, I'm going to get back to work making me some money. I'll talk to you guys later.